How to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here is a simple method on how to recover your permanently deleted Gmail account. First of all, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Now, in the search address bar, simply tap and type down Gmail account recovery and hit enter and search for it. Now, once you search for it, you will get to see options like recover your Gmail account or Google account option available at the top. Now all you have to do is tap on it and navigate to it. Now scroll down and you'll get to see recover a deleted Gmail account or Google account option available there. Now tap on the blue highlights on recover your account option available there. And once you tap on it, again you'll have to scroll down and tap on the follow the steps to recover your account option available in the blue highlights, and then navigate to the recovery section. Now here type down the email address which you deleted of your Gmail account and tap on the next option available there. Once done, tap on the next. Now you'll be navigated to enter your account password. All you have to do is enter your account password and again tap on the next option available there. Now tap on the continue option available there. Then you'll be navigated to save your password. Save it if you want to. Then again continue and you'll be logged into your Gmail account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.